What's up? What's up? It's your man Jimmy Chan. All right, so we have to solve this quadratic equation with completing the squares. So in order to do that, the problem with completing squares is that A has to always equal to 1. So in order for us to do that, we have to divide every single term by 5. There we go. So now I'm going to have x squared minus 2/5 x minus 2/5 is equal to 0. The next step is to bring the c, the old c, to the other side because this relationship is not going well. So now I need to kick the old c out. So x squared minus it's going to equal to 2/5 because I have to add it over to the other side. Now I have to find a new c. And new c is equal to b divided by 2 squared. And the b term here is this right here. Okay, so I'm going to have negative 2/5 divided by 2 squared. And what you will get here when you divide 2/5 by 2 is this. You're going to get negative 2/10. I got to square that, so that's going to equal to 4/100. Okay, so a couple of things. So to get this 10, I got it from multiplying the 5 times the 2. Okay, and that will work every single time. Okay, to get the 4/100, when I square this, that means it's negative 2 times negative 2, which is 4, 10 times 10, which is 100. Okay, so I have to add this to both sides. So I'm going to go ahead and duplicate this here and add the 4/100 to both sides. Okay, bring that down right to there and do the same thing here. There we go. All right, so the next thing is I have to factor the left side. Okay, so when I factor the left side, let me see here. When I factor the left side, it's going to be this. Ready? It's going to be x because everything else is x, but it's going to be minus 2/10. Hopefully you see where this comes from. That's why we should always do the work here. And that's going to equal to adding this side. Well, to add this side, I'm adding 2 fractions, so I need common denominators. The 5 needs a 20, right? 20 times 5 gives me 100, so I got to do that to the top as well. 20 times 2 is 40. 40 plus 4 is 44. So this would be 44/100. Then I have to take the square root of both sides. And when I take the square root of both sides, this is what's going to happen. I'm going to have x minus 2/10 is equal to plus or minus the square root of 44/100. Okay. With that being said, now I got to solve for x. And can I break down square root of 44? I can. Square root of 44 is 2 times 2 times 11. Okay, so let me go ahead and write that. So I got So it's going to be 2 times 2 times 11. And that's going to be over, actually, let's do it this way, over, and I can see that the square root of 100 is 10, okay? Now, since the index is a 2, I'm looking for pairs, and there's my pair right there, okay? So that means I'm going to have x minus 2 over 10 is equal to plus or minus 2 square root of 11 over 10. So that means my x is going to equal to 2 plus or minus 2 square root of 11 over 10. Okay, because I have to add this 2/10 over, and since I have common denominators, I'm adding fractions, so add or subtract the top and keep the bottom. So now I have a triangle here, as you guys can see, that there is a number that goes into 2, 2, and 10, which is 2. So x is now going to equal to 1 plus or minus the square root of 11 all over 5. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is going to be choice B. And there we go. Whoa. I hope that helps. If there's any questions, please let me know. See ya. Bye.